How to reduce lag in Blox Fruits on PC. Hello everyone. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to reduce lag in Blox Fruits on your PC. The process is straightforward, so follow along. Fixing lag on Blox Fruits for PC is simple. I'll present methods you can use within the Roblox itself, which are the most effective and another method outside the game. When you enter Blox Fruits on any platform, you must choose between private and marines. One option is to enable fast mode, which lowers the quality of textures and models for improved performance. This setting is recommended for the mobile devices. If your PC can handle it without fast mode, playing without it is advised to maintain the quality. If you find the reduced quality distracting, you can revert by leaving and rejoining the game. For those with bigger computers or playing on mobile, fast mode is highly recommended. Additionally, within Roblox, you can enhance the performance by adjusting graphics settings. In the game, pause, access the settings, and check the graphics mode and quality. Switch graphics mode from automatic to manual and lower the quality to the minimum for the better performance. By reducing the number of models, textures, and high-resolution elements loaded by Roblox, you can achieve smoother gameplay. Another step to improve the performance is outside of Roblox. Open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar, sort processes by memory usage, and close unnecessary apps to free up memory for the Roblox. Ending memory-intensive tasks like Adobe Premiere and Firefox can optimize the memory allocation for the Roblox and enhance the performance. By managing graphics setting, using fast mode and ensuring no resource-intensive apps are running in the background, you can effectively address the lag in Blox Fruits on PC. I hope this guide assists you in resolving lag-related issues. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.